Hi, I'm Harry Powell, Head of Industry Solutions at TigerGraph, and welcome to the third in the series of Graph Database Basics. So, why can't I just build a graph database using table joins on my existing database? Given that all the data comes from there in the first place, why can't I just mimic what the graph does using tables? Well, you sort of can, and you sort of can't. Here are two fundamental problems that databases have modeling the diverse and disparate relationships that exist in the real world. So one structure you often see in organizations, in product portfolios, even in families, is hierarchy, trees. Managers have multiple employees. Products exist within categories. The way this is modeled in a relational database is to have a self-referencing table. One record joins back to its own table to find parent nodes. This kind of works, but it's inflexible. It only works in one direction. It's hard to code if you don't know the depth of the hierarchy you're using, and it's very slow. Imagine this for a complicated network. Another common feature of data is many-to-many relationships. The canonical example is where you have many students choosing between many courses at a university. The way this is structured in a relational database is to use an intermediate table called a foreign key. It's basically a neat workaround that works okay when there are just a few foreign keys, but typically there are hundreds of foreign keys in the database, and it can make it super inflexible, hard to manage, and full of duplication. Basically, you can try, but anything other than the simplest, smallest case will grind to a halt. If you want to work with data that's graphy, you do need to use the right tool. Sure, you could dig a tunnel with a spade. Wouldn't you rather use a mechanical digger? TigerGraph is built from the ground up to be a graph database. It's the only graph platform that's powerful enough to do this at enterprise scale and get results you can rely on. You can get a free 50 gigabyte TigerGraph Cloud instance at tigergraph.com/cloud, or you can email me at sales@tigergraph.com if you'd like to find out more. Thanks for your time.